YouTube friends and welcome to my next video. Currently we are at Sandhill Nursery farm. We've been here before in summer. I think I did record video about that, but we are here in the winter because they have some nice installation like decoration lights, and it's called Forest of Lights. You can remember this farm from the summer where they had like some nice installations, so if you didn't see that, you should check it out. And otherwise, I am here today to show you this winter activity. It's very cool what I saw from the pictures, and we're gonna go check it out tonight. As you can see, weather is not very good. I'm already wet because it's kind of raining, snowing, you know. But whatever, you can't do anything about the weather, so let's go check it out. So beautiful! This is the beginning. Actually, we are not at the beginning. I think this is the end of the trail, but we're gonna move at the beginning of this trail. I don't know even how long is it, but we'll see. Okay, that's how Inuits live in igloo. Okay, we should have parked a little bit closer, but we are getting there. We are getting there. So we're checked in and we can go inside. Oh my god, that's so beautiful! I love it, and we are just at the beginning. This is so cool. Let's continue. It looks amazing, and we are just at the beginning. And we came from there. Can you hear that? The voices? Like
gremlins.
It's like gremlins, exactly. They look like gremlins as well. Kind of. I would like to say that it's worth every cent. That's so beautiful. Like really, but we are not at the end, so I think we're gonna continue. Here you can warm up, order some hot chocolate or marshmallows. Here is another fireplace. And this is the farm you remember. Here is the menu. They have some nice hot drinks and as well food. Okay guys, we are at the end of this video. We went through the forest with the lights. It was so amazing. It cost us $21 per adult, so it's definitely worth every cent. At the end or at the beginning, you can buy hot chocolate or marshmallows. You can just warm up on the way, and it's so beautiful. Like, I don't know, whoever came with this, that was a genius. So yeah, we are going home now. I definitely do recommend it. You can find it at the Sandhill Nursery farm. It's in Huntsville, and definitely you should come to see that. I think it's somewhere until January. I don't know exactly what date, but I'm gonna put it here because I will search for it to let you know. And yeah, as always, I would be really happy for a like, comment, and especially subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And see you next time!